Did you know the axolotl can regrow lost limbs and even fresh organs, hinting at regenerative medicine's distant horizon? Did you know the oldest musical instruments are flutes carved from 40,000 years ago, revealing early humans shared rituals and sound? Did you know tardigrades survive extreme deserts, space vacuum, and frozen highs through cryptobiosis, reminding us life outlasts conditions? Did you know fingerprint patterns begin with embryonic skin development, their spirals and loops forming before birth and shaping identity? Did you know cities are experimenting with bioluminescent fungi and algae in artful street installations that fuse science and culture?